yakni benta jongga kubor la wanras pi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Hakabedai bagi digejengja gejeng shop kemaryang nadu ubna yayong ubak Kyrmen oleh thu baka sukar jelah haka pratik jung ubna jeliu arjar arfau kala pelat sanfui poin prafo Klur Lyngba lembaga state disaster response fund sabaro ki khatwitli ki district ki bagian hapu ke jelah kini ka pesa ka bala pelat kedai nak benta banyarap yikilong yeng ber kibri ki bersak kata nak ni gejeng shop ki board kemaryang ulong ru baka jengrap bisa kalong nak liang ka sarkar kedai nak benta gejeng julor juki yeng kisam ki jakarap berkemjuru gejeng julor ki yeng school ber ki yeng shong hakabedai bat kini kijengja hakini kisni ke beladap ke baki pai mak ki donkam nak liang jong menteri ulong ba nak liang jong ka sarkar jelah kan sapa jengrap lagi board ka sarkar kemi nak benta banyo ban ai susu ke jengrap yeki pai mak ki donkam hakani gejeng shop jong ki board jong kemaryang.
Waiting for the compilation of all the amount, what is the exact affected. So based on that, we will try to find out how much, what is the amount we have, and what is the amount can be recovered, can be given from which we had with us, and then we will try to send to the central. So it seems if it's lost, we will need the assistance from the central.